Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So now we'll be showing you some interesting art and crafts. So first we'll be making a dog like this. So make its body and the tail on the back, make its eyes like this, make its cute nose and then mouth. Now make the orange circle and fill the color on the one side of the eye like this. Make the color in the ears, make the patterns all over its body and it's ready. Next, draw a line and then draw the semicircular shapes like this. Now draw the design on the sides of it. Now make the body on the back of the lion. Now make its ears. Now make its eyes like this. Now after that we'll be making its nose and mouth. Now make its legs, make its cute legs and then make its tail on the back. Color it and it's ready. Next we'll be making a cat. So draw the line and draw 3 semicircular shapes like this and then make the semicircular over it. Make its ears, eyes, nose and mouth. So here we are making a cat. Make its tail and then color it if you want. Make the lines in its legs like this. Color it using different color sketch pens of your choice. Fill the ears using orange color. Make the patterns on its face and body. Make its tail and it's done. Next, draw the lines like this, make a 9 and then draw a square shape on the downside to make the legs. Make its ears, now make its eyes, nose and mouth like this. Make its horns, now make its tail on the back. Color it, make the patterns over its body and then draw the black dots like this. Color it and the giraffe is ready. Next we'll be making a cute sitting puppy. So write a 6 like this and then make its mouth over it. Now make a neckband. Now make its legs like this. Now complete its body by drawing the lines. Make its eyes and then nose. Now make a tail on the back like this. Now make a neck ball and color it and it's ready. Next, take an orange color sketch pen and draw the bee-like shape and then color it. Now make its ears. Now fill it with the color. Now make its tail on the back. Now using black marker, make its eyes, nose and mouth like this. Make the patterns over its face and body using red marker and then your cat will be ready. Next, we'll be drawing these small lines like this. So here we are making a cute bunny. So now we'll be making its face. So first we have drawn the outlines. Make its ears. Now join the lines like this. Make the tail on the back. Make its eyes, nose and the mouth like this. Now color it using pink and white color as shown in the video. And your rabbit is ready. Next, we'll be drawing the lines like this. So now write a bee-like shape or R-like shape as shown in the video. Now make its ears, eyes, make its hands as shown, make its cute nose and mouth. Now after that, color it using your different colors of your choice and it's ready. So now using alphabets, we'll be making the animals. So using F, we'll be making a cute dinosaur like this. Make its ears, thorns on the back. Now using B, we'll be making another dinosaur. So now make its mouth and patterns on the back. Make the patterns inside its body. Now like this, we'll be making a cute tortoise. Make its eyes, nose and mouth. Make the patterns on the back. Make the dots over its body. Now using H, we'll be making a dinosaur. So make the patterns on its body and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.